Seventh problem, the state of affairs of Earnest Company Limited on 31st 3 2015 was as follows: liabilities amount, assets amount. Coming to adjustment, the following scheme of capital reduction was submitted and approved by the court. Equity share of rupees 10 each reduced to rupees 5 each. Coming to next, 7% preference share of rupees 10 each fully paid were to be reduced to 6% preference share of rupees 10 each, rupees 6 per share paid up. Coming to next, 5% preference share of rupees 10 each, rupees 5 paid up were to be reduced to 4 and off preference share of rupees 10 each, rupees 3 per share paid up. Next, the debenture holders agreed to forego the interest due to them. The debenture interest due is 19,500. The company in the meantime recovered a damage of sum of rupees 74,000 by third party, and it was decided to use this amount also writing off the capital losses. Coming to next, the reconstruction expenses losses to rupees 7,250. Give journal entries to record the above and draw the reconstructed balance sheet. Solution: in the books of Earnest Company Limited journal entries, 4 columns, serial number, particulars, debit rupees, credit rupees. First entry: old equity share capital account debit 2 lakh to new equity share capital account 20,000 share into rupees 5 each, 1 lakh in the credit side. 2 lakh minus 1 lakh, so the balance will be 1 lakh. You will be writing in the credit side to capital reduction account. Note: being the reduction of 20,000 equity share of rupees 10 each to rupees 5 each. Next entry: 7% preferential capital account debit 1,50,000 to 6% preferential capital account 15,000 share into 6 each, 90,000. 1,50,000 minus 90,000, the balance will be 60,000. In the credit side, you will be mentioning to capital reduction account. Being the conversion of 15,000, 7% preference share of rupees 10 each to 15,000, 6% preference share of rupees 10 each, rupees 6 paid up. Coming to next entry, 5% preferential capital account debit 65,000 to 4 and off preferential capital account 13,000 preferential into 3 each, 39,000 you will be writing in the credit side. 65,000 minus 39,000, the balance is 26,000. You will be mentioning in the credit side to capital reduction account. Note: being the conversion of 13,000, 5% preference share of rupees 10 each, rupees 5 paid up to 13,000, 4 and off percent preference share of rupees 10 each, rupees 3 paid up. Coming to next entry, debenture interest due account debit 19,500 to capital reduction account credit 19,500. Note: being the debenture interest transferred to capital reduction. Next entry, bank account debit 74,000 to capital reduction account credit 74,000, being the recovery of damage from the third party. Next entry, damages recovery account debit 74,000 to capital reduction account credit 74,000, being the damage recovered transferred to capital reduction. In that entry, they have mentioned the damage has been recovered from the third party and the amount will be used to writing of the capital losses. Coming to next entry, reconstruction expenses account debit 7,250 to bank account 7,250, being the payment of reconstruction expenses. So next entry will be an capital reduction account. It is 2,79,500. You are writing in the debit side. You have taken this amount from the from capital reduction account 1 lakh. So coming to next entry 60,000 and coming to next entry 26,000. Next entry 19,500. In next entry 74,000. If you are adding this amount, you will be getting 2,79,500. Coming to next, to profit and loss account 1,75,500. You have taken this from the balance sheet. To goodwill 80,000. To reconstruction expenses account 7,250 you have taken from the adjustment. The balancing figure will be an capital reserve account. You will be deducting 1,75,500 plus 80,000, 7,250. You will be adding this three amount and you will be deducting from the 2,79,500. So the balancing figure will be 16,750. You will be mentioning as to capital reserve account balancing figure. Note, being the utilization of capital reduction account, balance in writing of accumulated losses, goodwill, etc. Reconstructed balance sheet as on 31st 3 2015. Three columns: A, equity and liabilities, note amount, shareholder fund, share capital, 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, rupees 5 paid up, 1 lakh, 15,000 6% preference share of rupees 10 each, rupees 6 paid up, 90,000, 13,000 4 and of preference share of rupees 10 each, rupees 3 paid up, 39,000. Reserves and surplus nil. Capital reserve is 16,750. Non-current liabilities. Then secured loans nil. In secured loans 5% debenture, 8% debenture, because they have not given in the adjustments anything about the debenture. So in the balance sheet the amount they have mentioned about 5% debenture 1,50,000, 8% debenture 3 lakh. Same thing you will be mentioning in the reconstructed balance sheet. Unsecured loans nil. Current liabilities, in that sundry creditors 4,50,000 you are taking from the balance sheet. If you are totaling, you will be getting 11,45,750. Coming to next, B, assets, non-current asset, fixed asset. Fixed asset, buildings, machinery, patents, furniture, investment. This amount you have taken from the balance sheet: 1,75,000, 3,25,000, 54,000, 15,000, 75,000. So coming to current assets, sundry debitors 4,15,000, cash 2,000, bank they have mentioned in the balance sheet 18,000, and the damage recovery is 74,000. If you are adding, you will be getting 92,000. Then you will be deducting reconstruction expenses 7,250. So then you will be getting 84,750. You will be mentioning in the outer column 84,750. If you are totaling in the asset side, you will be getting 11,45,750. Both the side, liabilities as well as asset side, you should get 11,45,750.